The Grizzlies taking on the Timberwolves, and Marc Gasol, he dropped 20 points tonight. This is a bad loss. Oh, Andrew Wiggins throws it down. This is a bad loss for the Timberwolves because you're desperately fighting for a playoff spot. You're fighting for seeding, and you're losing to a team that's been losing all season? This could be the game that comes back to haunt them if they don't make the playoffs, or even if the Timberwolves make the playoffs, but their seeding is messed up. Maybe they could have had a better first round matchup with one more win. We're going to be remembering, we're going to be looking back on this game saying, wow, how could you let that happen? Towns knocks down the three in the corner, and the Timberwolves had the lead. So they blew this lead. They could not hold on to this lead. On the road, you see Wiggins knocks it down. What happened? How did they lose this game? Grizzlies are going to take the lead right here. Wide open three in the corner. Wayne Selden comes up big in a clutch for the Grizzlies. He's going to hit another three, this time on the other side. This is a tough loss for the Timberwolves. Now he gets the steal, throws down the flush. What a way to lose. This league for a long time. I bought the penthouse in the neighborhood. It's 4 stories of glory, 4 stories of luxury, and I've got 2 girlfriends. Not 1 but 2. I'm like Lou Will, 1 slim, 1 thick. When you got a penthouse like